Living in Redington Beach, Florida, means enjoying stunning ocean views, soothing sea breezes, and a laid-back coastal lifestyle. But for homeowners, it also means facing a unique challenge: coastal moisture and humidity. The salty air and high humidity levels common to coastal areas can quickly damage doors, leading to warping, swelling, and even structural decay over time. That's why investing in professional door installation is essential for Redington Beach homeowners. With the right materials, techniques, and sealing methods, expert installers can help protect your home against moisture intrusion, extending your door's lifespan and maintaining your home's comfort and beauty. Here's how professional door installation safeguards your coastal property from Florida's harsh, moisture-heavy environment. Understanding the impact of coastal moisture. Redington Beach's proximity to the Gulf of Mexico makes homes vulnerable to moisture-related problems. When salt-laden air and humidity penetrate your home's structure, it can cause warping and swelling of wooden doors due to moisture absorption, rust and corrosion on metal doors and hinges from salt exposure, mold and mildew growth in door frames and thresholds, drafts and leaks, which affect indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Even small gaps or poorly sealed doors can allow humid air to enter, leading to long-term damage that can be costly to repair. Professional installation ensures your doors are built and sealed to resist these challenges year-round. Proper sealing and weatherproofing. One of the key ways professional installers protect your home is through expert sealing and weatherproofing. This involves using moisture-resistant materials and precision techniques to prevent water and humid air from seeping into your home. A professional installation includes high-quality weather stripping to seal door edges and stop air leaks, moisture-resistant thresholds and gaskets to prevent water intrusion, caulking and flashing around the frame to keep out rain and salt spray. These measures create an airtight barrier that keeps moisture where it belongs, outside. Over time, this protection helps maintain your door's appearance, functionality, and energy efficiency, even in Redington Beach's humid conditions. Choosing the right door materials. The success of any coastal door installation depends heavily on choosing materials that can withstand moisture and salt exposure. Professional installers can recommend and fit doors specifically designed for coastal environments, including fiberglass doors, which resist swelling, rotting, and corrosion, composite or vinyl-clad frames that offer excellent water resistance, stainless steel or corrosion-resistant hardware to prevent rust, impact-rated glass panels that provide both protection and coastal style. Fiberglass doors, in particular, have become a popular choice for Redington Beach homeowners because they combine durability, beauty, and low maintenance. They can mimic the look of natural wood while offering superior resistance to moisture damage. By working with professionals, you'll ensure your chosen materials are not only stylish but also built to endure Florida's coastal climate. Enhanced energy efficiency. Moisture isn't the only concern along the coast. Humidity and heat can also drive up cooling costs. A properly installed, well-sealed door can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency by minimizing air leaks and maintaining a stable indoor temperature. Professional installation ensures tight fitting between the door, frame, and threshold, reducing drafts and preventing warm, humid air from entering. This leads to better comfort, lower energy bills, and a reduced strain on your HVAC system, all important for Redington Beach homes where air conditioning runs nearly year-round. Long-term protection and peace of mind. Perhaps the greatest advantage of professional door installation is the peace of mind it offers. Experienced installers understand the unique challenges of coastal living and use techniques tailored to local conditions. They ensure that every component, from frame to hardware, is built and installed to last. Professional installation also helps maintain your manufacturer's warranty, providing additional coverage in case of future issues. You'll gain lasting performance, improved security, and protection against the elements, all while preserving your home's curb appeal. Final thoughts. In Redington Beach, your home's doors do more than provide access. They act as a barrier against the coastal elements. By investing in professional door installation, you're ensuring your home stays comfortable, energy efficient, and protected from moisture damage. Whether you're upgrading your entry door for style or replacing weather-worn patio doors, expert installation is key to long-term durability and performance. With the right materials, craftsmanship, and sealing techniques, your doors can stand strong against Florida's humidity, keeping your home dry, beautiful, and efficient for years to come.